go. I got some hot molten aluminum. Looks like guy. We can get it close up here. This is my setup. See how this comes out. And there you go. Stuff does stink though. With my homemade forge. Use coal, wood, whatever have you. You know, out here try and do something. Get ready for the zombie apocalypse. I got a bunch of swords, you know. You never know when the zombies are coming out, so you never know what you might have to do. You know, people eating each other's faces and whatnot. But on that's how you pour aluminum. And you never know when you may need it. Put it in a can, throw it in the forge, run it to some air. In a foundry, I mean. Let that cook. What the hell it's gonna become? Maybe a sword or something. Just a bar. But I'm trying to get the molds down. I don't know. This shit's boring. I'm about to find something else to do.